Hi everybody. Let's make a really nice salad. So this salad is going to be Italian inspired. It has a lot of pickled items and it's going to be really tasty. I had it at a restaurant not too long ago here in Tucson and I want to share my version with you all. Let's get to it. To start this recipe, we're going to make the dressing. Start with 1 cup of soaked cashews, some vegan yogurt, and mustard, and add them to a high-speed blender. Then, in order to have a slightly vinegary taste, we're going to take a 4th cup of olive brine and also add it in addition to some soy milk for extra creaminess with the cashews. Add the lid and blend until completely and thoroughly combined and everything is nice and silky smooth. Add the dressing to a large bowl. And to season, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. To brighten up the dressing, we'll add juice from 1 lemon, making sure that none of the seeds are added to the dressing mixture. With a spoon, combine until evenly mixed, and that's your dressing. Set it aside while you chop and prep your vegetables. For the main salad, we're going to basically construct it with any greens you may have around the house. I chose some romaine lettuce, which is a nice pairing in an Italian salad, in addition to a handful of spring mix for other cruciferous vegetables. Now add some washed and rinsed cannellini beans, pickled beets that you typically can purchase in a can at the store, in addition to some pitted Kalamata olives, sliced cucumbers, which add a really nice crunch to the salad. Add some banana peppers for some heat and more acidity, red onion that's been diced, and some chopped Roma tomatoes. Add a little bit of black pepper, add your dressing, a bit of lemon juice in addition to any other kinds of seasonings you might like to add, and enjoy. This is a perfect recipe for meal prep and lunches. Stay tuned guys for next recipe next Friday and be sure to subscribe for more.